Well, hello there lovely people, welcome back to another video. It's been so long since I've worked on this MacBook. So this is a A1466 2015-17 MacBook Air. So the issue with this is, let me just show you. I connected the MacBook charger, there's a green light. The moment I turn it on, it's taking 500 milliamps. You see, apps like it's on, but there's nothing on the screen. Let me just show you what's happening here. So when I focus the light, you can see something is coming on the screen. You can see the screen activity, but there's no screen backlight. There's no backlight for the screen. So usually when you go to Apple with this issue, they will replace the Logicboard plus the screen, which will cost totally about around 55 or 60,000 for both the replacements. But in this case, replacement is not needed. Let's deep dive into this case and see where's the issue and why the screen backlight isn't working. So I couldn't find any obvious damage on the Logicboard with regards to no backlight on the screen. So what I have done initially as a first thing is I have replaced the backlight driver. It's a small BGA chip, I have replaced it. So let's see whether this replacing of the backlight driver worked or not. Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, green light, orange light, 500 milliamps. This is a test screen, this is a broken screen. Wow, the screen is working now. So you can see this is a cracked screen. This is my test screen. I use it for testing no backlight. So apart from this also, I have found some other corrosion near the camera circuitry also. So initially this MacBook came in for no screen backlight issue, but now the backlight issue is fixed, but still I have found some other damage corrosion also on the motherboard, which is related to the webcam. So let's go ahead and fix that also. So before fixing it, I will show it under the microscope how the damage is there on the motherboard, the corrosion or the liquid damage. So if you want to see how small is the backlight driver, so this is the backlight driver. This is a backlight driver which is meant for putting out screen backlight. The screen brightness increasing and decreasing buttons work with the help of this chip. This chip is the one which boosts the screen backlight voltage. So this was the one which was damaged. I could not see any obvious damage, corrosion or burnt mark or anything. Just as an initial step, I have replaced this chip and the screen started working. And if you want to see where does this chip is on the logic board, so this is that chip. Little bit of light. So this is that chip, the backlight driver. So this is the chip which drives the voltage for the screen backlight. So we went ahead and replaced this chip. The screen started working. So let me show you the remaining damage also. So yes, the board is back under the microscope. So let me just show you how is the damage under the microscope. If you can see the corrosion, the green stuff. This is just beside the camera driver. So most probably I think the camera also won't be working on this MacBook because of this main resistors for camera corroded. If you look at it off the microscope, this is how it looks. If you are unable to pinpoint 1, 2, 3. So let me just fix them and get back. So the repair is done. So let me just show you under the microscope how's the repair. So as you can see, there are 2 jumper wires. We had damage traces due to corrosion, so I had to jump the connections with 2 tiny jumpers. You can see there are 2 small wires. So how does the jumpers look without the microscope? If you can figure out, 1, 2. So So this is the level of work we do. So here it is. The full assembly of the MacBook is done. See, the board is fixed, battery is fixed, everything is fixed. Now turn it on and see if the screen works or not. We turned it on. Fan is spinning. Startup chime. Oh wow, the screen is working. As you can see, the screen is lit up. So the screen is working. So prior to this, I had to put the light on the behind Apple logo, and then only this particular ball used to flash. Now there's no need to do anything. The board repair has been done. The screen is working now. And also let's check the webcam, and it's loading. Let's check the webcam once, since we have did the webcam trace repair also. Let it load. Then we'll check the FaceTime camera. Is the camera working or not? Now the login is done. So if you go to Launchpad, you go to FaceTime. Yes, the camera is working. So repair has been successful for the screen backlight and also the camera. So that's all for today. One more MacBook fixed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.